Welcome to this demonstration of Agentic AI for SAP Business One powered by 𝗪𝗵𝗁 SAP Copilot. In this scenario, we'll see how Copilot simplifies the creation of a sales quotation in SAP Business One. The user instructs Copilot to create a new sales quotation. Copilot immediately opens the sales quotation form. The user selects the customer from the business partner drop-down. Next, the user sets the posting date and valid until date. Copilot then guides the user to the item section. The user selects the item code. The user enters the quantity, reviews the unit price, and updates the discount. After all required fields are verified, the user clicks Add to post the document. Copilot validates the data and successfully creates the sales quotation in SAP Business One quickly, accurately, and fully guided. This demonstrates how Agentic AI transforms quotation creation into a fast and intelligent step-by-step experience inside SAP Business One. Thank you for watching this demonstration of sales quotation using SAP Copilot.